Today we're going to discuss about the special topic where we will going to discuss and study about the structure of organs. Okay, it means where we will going to study of the organ. It's called splancology. Okay, today we're going to start splancology, and splancology, the first topic we have digestive system. Okay, and digestive system is very simple. If you want to understand the digestive system, is very simple. Okay, it means this is oral cavity. This is oral cavity. Okay, first is oral cavity. Okay, very simple. This is oral cavity. Okay, if you will eat something like piece of cake or something, eat by food. Okay, first we will take from the oral cavity. Okay, it means the first part of the digestive system is oral cavity. Okay, okay, second, this food going to, when they are crossing the oral cavity, they are coming to the pharynx. Okay, it means the second part of the digestive system is pharynx. Okay, then when they are passing from the pharynx, they are coming to the esophagus. Okay, and from esophagus they are coming to the stomach. Okay, it means stomach is the part of digestive system. When they are HCl production, okay, will grinding them foods, then from the stomach the foods are going to the, which is small intestine. Okay, small intestine is the second part, small intestine. Okay, then from the small intestines, okay, they are going to the large intestine. Okay, which we have three parts. Okay, also the small intestine is have three parts like jejunum, and ileum. Okay, these are three parts of the small intestine. Then the food coming to the large intestine. It also have three parts. Okay, colon, cecum, and rectum. Okay, then food from passing from the lateral eye from the large intestine, then are going to the rectum. Okay, and then discharge. Okay, these are the very simple way and concept of the to understanding the digestive system. Okay, but our topic today to going to discuss in splancology and digestive system. Okay, the digestive system first part we will start, already told about the oral cavity. It means our topic will start from the oral cavity. Okay, oral cavity, and one thing more I want to discuss with you. When we will going to discuss anatomy of the splancology, about the anatomy and topography of the organs, we already study in muscle topic, in myology, topography we know. Okay, but in splancology, there have two other section in topography we need to remember. Okay, one is holotopy. Okay, what is the meaning of holotopy? These are in topographic. Okay, in topography, these two section. Okay, holotopy means the organ. We will find the location of the organ, which location of this organ relation with the specific cavity, or relation of some region of human body. Okay, then we will find like surfaces of, and then we will find the surfaces and borders of the that organ. Okay, region of human. Then skeletotopy is from the name, you can, skeletotopy means relation with skeleton. Okay, then we will find the location of the exact organ. Okay, we will find the location of that organ relation with the skeletal structure. Okay, now this is the first thing, two things you need to memorize in topography in this splancology topic. Okay, then we will continue our oral cavity topic. Oral cavity, we have oral cavity of human, we divided into two parts. First part is oral vestibule. Second, we have oral proper cavity. Okay, these are the two parts of the oral cavity. Okay, first we will going to discuss the oral vestibule. What is oral vestibule? Oral vestibule. If you will talk about the oral vestibule halototopy, first we will going to talk the halototopy, because I already told we need to memorize the location of this part. Okay, if we will talk about the oral cavity, the oral cavity halototopy means this. Okay, first we will discuss the whole halototopy of the oral cavity. Then we will no need to discuss the oral vestibule and oral proper cavity. Oral cavity halototopy. Okay, halototopy, region of head, because they are present in the head. We know in head. Okay. Second, if you will talk the skeletotopy, there's not important, because we already about the region or humans, because the region of the head, their location. Okay. Okay, and laterally they have borders. We will going to discuss the border of the oral cavity. Okay, if you discuss about the borders of the oral cavity, borders, first border, superior border of the oral cavity, we have plates. And plates, you know, plates we have hard and soft plate. If you remember the bones, again I am telling to you, because I already told in each lecture and each topic in practical class, I told you to, if you know the bones osteology, for you memorizing the muscles and that's their in that cavity organs is very simple to memorize. Okay, soft plate, hard and soft plate. This is the superior border. Okay, of the oral cavity. Then we have inferior border. Inferior border of the oral cavity, we have what? Here, this is the inferior cavity. If you will talk about the inferior border of the oral cavity, we have first we have mylohyoid muscle. There we have three muscle. Okay, mylohyoid muscle, anterior belly of digestive muscle, and third we have gynoid muscle. Okay, these are the inferior border. Okay, if you talk about the lateral border we have of oral cavity, what we have? Lateral border we have cheeks, and if you will talk about the posterior, then posterior borders we have platopharyngeal astomus, or you can say phaeosis. Okay, because this when the oral cavity connection with the oropharynx by phaeosis. Okay, we will talk about, I will write here posterior border we have phaeosis. Okay, or platopharyngeal astomus. Okay, these are the four borders of the oral cavity. Okay, we discuss halototopy, where we location in the head region. Okay, then we discuss the borders. Superior border we have plates. Okay, where hard plate is the gratine process of the maxilla bone. Okay, and soft plate connection with is muscle type. Okay, and this connection with the there in the hard plate. Okay, soft plate connection and hard plate. Then we have inferior border, which we discussed the suprahyoid muscle in neck region. We have mylohyoid muscle, anterior belly of digestive muscle, and gynoid muscle. Then we have lateral one, we have cheeks. Okay, which covered by cheek we have buccinator muscle, and buccinator muscle covering by which fascia? Buccopharyngeal fascia. Okay, and then we have pads. Okay, and then we have posterior border, which I have the end where the soft plate. There we have, if you will talk about the border of soft plate, then you can say this is free. But if you will talk about the oral cavity, then we can say this is phaeosis. When phaeosis, it means when the oral cavity connection with the oropharynx. Okay, oropharynx means when pharynx, this is the pharynx part which pharynx connection with the oral cavity. Okay, and then we will talk about why, because when we eat something food, then this pharynx, like this epiglottis help to close the larynx, because no food going to the respiratory tract, and oropharynx closing the oral cavity, it means tongue closing the oropharynx, and nasopharynx closing the nasal cavity. Okay, when we will eating or swallowing. Okay, these are important things for memorization. Then we will going to continue our oral cavity. Okay, if we talk about oral cavity, first we have oral vestibule. Oral vestibule. In oral vestibule, we have first we have lips, then we have teeth, and then we have cheeks. Okay, first lips. If you will talk about the lips, and lips is very important. You know lips. Okay, lips are simply, if you will recognizing, is the orbicularis oris muscle, lower lip and upper lip and lower lip. Okay, and it's gonna insertion where is the angle of the mouth. Okay, these are the, if you remember, these are the orbicularis oris muscle, is the upper lip, is the lower lip. Okay, and it's the angle of mouth where they are inserted. Okay, now if you talk like some deep anatomy is not in our topic, but I just want to discuss it. Here, if you say, because here is nose, and this area we can say nasolabial sulcus. This is for your future memorization. Okay, and here the cheek side, the mental side, we can say this is a mentolabial sulcus. Okay, this is for your memorization. And here between the nasolabial sulcus, this is a philtrum. Okay, this is not our topic, but just I want to tell you where the oral, about the lips and their around area. Okay, lips is our, and if you will talk about the lips, where is location of lip? If you will talk halototopy of lips, is the region of head. Okay, if you will talk the halototopy of lips, is location where head region and anterior wall of what? Anterior wall of what? Teeth, because lips is anterior to the interior wall of the teeth. Okay, in front, facing front to the teeth. Okay, then we will continue about the if you will talk more about lips, then there we have many glands inside. Okay, in these lips, but this gland we will talk about in the in glands topic. Okay, salivary gland, here we have major and minor glands. Okay, then there's nothing important about lips. You just memorize this. Lips is like orbital muscle which covering upper and lower lips, because these lips are helping in when we take first part is an external structure of the mouth is lips. Okay, then we have teeth. Teeth is important. Okay, teeth. If you will talk about the teeth, this is the teeth. If you will talk just one general structure of teeth, this is the teeth. This is the root and this is the teeth. Okay. Now teeth. Teeth have three parts. First we will talk about halototopy. Halototopy is the same halototopy, head region. Okay, located in the head region. Okay, and if you talk about the borders, is superior borders. Skeletotopy. Skeletotopy is here. We have skeletotopy of the teeth. If you talk about the skeletotopy of teeth, we have here. If you remember, skeletotopy of the I will write here. Skeletotopy of the teeth, we have alveolar, because it's a dental alveoli, dental scot or alveoli, scots because the teeth inside the scots. Okay, and dental scots of mandible bone and maxilla bone, because in both bone we have dental scores. Upper scores like alveolar process of the maxilla bone, and lower we have lower base of the mandible, where we have this dental scores. Okay, the upper bar, superior border of the mandible bone. Okay, there is the dental cord, and dental cord, inside the dental cord we have like grow of the teeth. Okay, this is a skeletal topic. Now we will talk about the part of teeth. We have three parts of teeth. First we have crown. This is the crown. Then this area we have neck, and this area we have root. Okay, these are the three parts of the teeth. Okay, if you more about the teeth, then we can say like if you remember the periostum is covering the bone. The upper part of bone is periostum, and teeth is also covering bone periodotum, and periodotum is like from made of periostum. Okay, we have cement and dentin, which covering the area for different area of which the different parts of the tooth. Okay, now in teeth, the more important thing about the parts, we have two types of teeth. Okay, two types of teeth we have in human. One is milky teeth when the child birth. Okay, we called milk teeth. First we have milk teeth, and we have total 20 teeth. There we have formula 2-1-1. Okay, 2-1-2. Okay, this is a milk teeth. Total 20 teeth. Okay, this if when the milk teeth convert into the second type is permanent teeth. Permanent teeth we have 32. Okay, and their formula we 1, 2, 3. Formula is for permanent teeth, you can use it. Okay, if you talk about the milk teeth, this is the when they, after growing the child after 1 year of age or 1.5 year of age, they are when they are growing. Okay, there we have some teeth. We have two, like two means we have canine and incisor. We have no, some like in rare people have, but in mostly not have. Okay, the canine teeth. Okay, and we have molar and premolar. Okay, these are the teeth in milky teeth, and these teeth are converting into the permanent teeth at the age of after 6 till 7 and till continue. Okay, and here is only one wisdom teeth. We can say the wisdom teeth, the third molar teeth are appearing are in after the 24 till 17 till 25 years of age. Okay, after that years they are arranging of wisdom teeth. Okay, now if you talk about the permanent teeth, we have two molars, 1 canine, 2 incisor, and 3 premolar. Okay, these are the formula which can be write for the milk and permanent teeth. Okay, these are two types of teeth. One is milky teeth and then is a permanent teeth. Okay, the most other thing important in teeth, if I will tell, like some teeth we have 2 roots, some teeth we have 1 root, some teeth we have 3 roots. Okay, if you talk about the 2 roots, it means this is molar. Okay, canine, incisor, we have 1 root. Okay. 3 roots is also molar. Some molar we have 3 roots. Okay. And premolar we also have two roots or 1 root. Premolar. More about the roots, like tubercles, cannon we have cannon, and incision we have 1 tubercle. Tubercles. Premolar and molar we have 2 tubercles. Okay, these are the information about the teeth. Okay. Next, in the oral vestibula, we have this third. We have cheeks, which I already in the starting I told about the cheeks. Okay, which are the oral cavity lateral wall. We have cheeks. Cheeks, simple, short. We will talk about short. Cheeks is laterally. Okay, is also skeletotopy. Helicotopy is the region of the head. Okay, and if you helicotopy is the region of the head, then if you will talk about the skeletotopy of the cheeks, we have superior we have maxilla bone, or no, we have maxilla is front and cheeks here. Zygomatic bone. We have zygomatic bone arc. Okay, and inferior we have which mandible bone. Okay, mandible bone. These are the skeletotopy or relation of with skeleton structure of the cheeks. Okay, if you will talk about the covering of cheeks, covered by, there we have buccinator muscle, and buccinator muscle covered by what? Buccopharyngeal fascia, and upper of the buccopharyngeal fascia we have fatal heads. Okay, these are the short information about the cheeks. Okay, this is all about the oral vestibula. Okay, and next we will going to discuss about the oral proper cavity. Thank you.